So hi everybody and welcome back to the C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 73 and in this video we start again an exercise. Here is the exercise text, what we have to do. I read it fast. We should write a login for an account. Okay, you have to write a login, and how you write login is here. Login should ask for the username and password. Okay, that's easy. And after you are successful logged in, account should show information about different categories, but these categories you can create your own. So it says here create 3 different categories which you can select. So these categories should be selectable and you should create them, and you can use your creativity to create anything you like. All right, and then, or should I make this more clear? Create 3 different categories which you can select. I think this is clear enough. All right, let's continue. And we have then here, after selecting one category, show the information for this category on screen. So which means just print out this information about what you created and be creative. Make something interesting. And interesting is the last line here. Create a way to go back to the selection screen to select other categories. I think this exercise is now very easy. I hope it's very easy, because all time I made exercises too complicated. And important on these exercises is that you use your own ideas, your own approaches, and make as much mistakes you want. As long as you reach the final goal, it's all fine. All right, that's it. So, and if you have any questions, like all time, ask in the comments. If not, I say good luck and see you in the next video where I start to solve this exercise. And bye, and good luck, of course.